Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Webhelper not responding error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search bar. Once it opens, type in Task Manager and click on the Task Manager app that appears in the results. This will open up a window showing all the processes currently running on your computer. Now, look through the list of processes until you find Steam Client Webhelper. Once you locate it, right-click on it and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will force the problematic process to stop, and Steam should automatically relaunch the Webhelper component. Sometimes this quick restart is all it needs to get back to working properly. If that didn't resolve the issue, let's try running Steam with administrator privileges. Right-click on the Steam app icon on your desktop, then select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Running Steam as an administrator gives it the necessary permissions to access system resources, which can often resolve Webhelper issues. If the problem persists, we need to make Steam always run as an administrator. Right-click on the Steam app on your desktop again, but this time select Properties. In the Properties window that opens, click on Open File Location. This will take you directly to the folder where Steam is installed on your computer. Inside this folder, find the file name Steam or steam.exe. Right-click on this file and select Properties from the menu. When the Properties window opens, click on the Compatibility tab in the top menu. This section controls how Steam runs on your system. Now look for the checkbox beside Run this program as an administrator and check that box. After you've checked it, click Apply first, then click OK. This ensures Steam will always launch with administrator rights, which can prevent Webhelper from running into permission-related issues. Additionally, you should update your GPU drivers, since Webhelper relies on your graphics system to function properly. Outdated graphics drivers can cause compatibility problems with Steam's web components, so keeping them current is essential for smooth performance. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, your final option is to reinstall Steam completely. Sometimes the installation files can become corrupted, and a fresh install is the only way to fix underlying issues with components like Webhelper. You've now gone through all the main solutions for fixing Steam Webhelper not responding, and one of these steps should get your Steam running smoothly again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.